Welcome back to Gage Boys Garage, and today we're working on the Willys Jeep again, and I am getting ready to pull the engine out. So I've been undoing bell housing bolts, as you can see. These top ones, pretty hard to get to. I'm probably going to need a second pair of hands, but at the moment I'm just taking all the bottom ones out and getting the ones that are easy to get to, and I'll show you guys. So I'm not gonna lie, I was getting a little frustrated because those top bell housing bolts are very hard to get to, but I discovered something pretty cool on this old Jeep. If you undo a few bolts on the floor here, this panel pulls open and you can get straight to the top of the bell housing. That's amazing. All new vehicles should do that. That would be so helpful. Grant came back in town and we've just been in the garage messing around, and now the motor's coming out. So yep. That's good.
Forgot to record.
Yeah, we're stupid. A few years ago, this would be like a big deal, but now we're just like, yeah, pull the motor out. So, motor's out of the Willys. There's the clutch. I noticed it's literally missing one of the bolts on the clutch, so that's probably not good, I'd assume. Motor wasn't too bad to get out. The Harbor Freight pull tight worked, luckily, because it had been bad if it snapped. Well, I just got the new motor dropped off. So this dirty diesel is what's going to be powering the Willys project from now on, hopefully. This is a V1903. So it's the smaller of the 03 series Kubota engines. But it's mechanical, small mechanical tractor diesel. And these are a very common swap into small Jeeps. These 4-cylinder tractor diesels. They're super reliable. There's tons of aftermarket parts for them. Everyone pretty much turbos them, and they run great. So hopefully this is a good motor, and from now on we're going to be prepping the Jeep for this to go in, and maybe cleaning this one up a little bit. It's kind of grimy. This one I was told came out of a Bobcat, but I don't know for. So I'm at the car wash, just got this motor sprayed down, and it's looking quite a bit better. Good power washing, clean this thing right up. Finally got this stupid plow mount off of here. I had to cut a couple welds and the thing was just bound in there. It was actually hitting the front axle, so there's no way that the front suspension was working at all. So that's kind of funny, but yep, that's off. So I'm waiting for a starter for the diesel motor, the V1903. And meanwhile, I think I'm gonna pull the tub off of the Willys. I think I'm gonna get the frame and axle sandblasted. And so I need to pull the tub off because I'm also gonna do a bunch of body work to this while it's off. So I need to get everything here in the interior out, and then everything disconnected on the firewall up here. So I think I'm gonna set up a little time lapse and get to doing that. Good. So as you guys just saw, we got the body off the frame. I'm pretty excited about that. I just cleaned the floor and now it's all destroyed again, but whatever. So now I'm gonna start taking out things like the transmission and transfer case, drive shafts, suspension, and getting this thing prepped to go get sandblasted. Just a little update on the Willys. I got the new starter in the Kubota engine. It's still rolling over exactly the same. I should have just had that clip play for you guys. So what I'm gonna do is, my little brother is in a diesel mechanics class, and I'm gonna send the diesel with him to school, and him and his teacher are gonna tear it down and see if there's anything wrong with it and get it figured out for me. So that'll be awesome. And then in the meantime, I got tons of work to do on the frame and body, so it should be no big deal. And also, I picked up just two, unfortunately, but two 32 9.5 TSL swampers for just dirt cheap. And so I'll either have to find two new ones or another pair, but they were so cheap, I went and picked them up because I think that'll be a good size for this to start out, and they're a pretty cool tire. So thanks for watching this episode on Gauge Boy's Garage. I'm gonna have to in the next episode bring this to sandblasting and get the motor running. So I got a little bit of stuff to do in between episodes. It might take a little bit, but yeah, thanks for watching. If you want to see the restoration, or whatever you want to call it, finished, you should subscribe, see next videos. And thank you for watching. I'm enjoying it. I'm learning a lot on such an old vehicle, and I hope you enjoy watching the videos. Bye.